Hello student, in the previous part of this chapter we have read about nervous system. Now we are going to study about sense organs. So human body consists of 5 sense organs. These are eye, nose, tongue, ear and skin. Alright, first of all we will study about eye. So this is the structure of eye, you can also see in your book. Eye is the organ of sight. We can see other objects with eye only, right? These are the parts of the eye. First is cornea. Cornea is the front part of eye and it is transparent in color. It allows the light to enter into the eye. Next is iris. Iris controls the light to enter into the eye. It also provides color to the eye, right? Next is lens. Lens make other object to be visible to us. Next is optic nerves. Optic nerves are the nerves which connect with the brain and to the eye and send messages to the brain to recognize the object, whatever we are seeing. These sense organs are very important for us, so we have to take care of these sense organs very carefully, right? So how will you care about the eye? You have to clean your eye with clean water. Do not rub your eyes with dirty hands. Do not rub your eyes with dirty handkerchief. Do not read in moving vehicles. So these are some cares you can do with your eyes and keep your eyes safe from dirt and dust. Next is nose. So nose have 2 holes. These are called nostrils and air passes through nostril to the nasal passage. Nasal passage consists of tiny hairs. These hairs prevent dust and dirt to enter into the lungs with the air, and this smell goes into the olfactory nerves. These nerves are connected to the brain and send signals to brain to recognize the smell, whatever we are smelling or fragrance. Alright, so this is also a sense organ and you have to care about it. So how will you care about your nose? Don't pick your nose, clean your nose daily and use clean handkerchief to blow your nose. Next is tongue. Tongue is the sense organ of taste. We taste lots of food items with our tongue. So how we taste the food with the tongue? Tongue has thousands of taste buds. These taste bitter, sour, salt and sweet. Why we have circled all these? Because these are the area which are sensible to these particular taste. Alright. Now tongue is also a sense organ. You have to care about it. How will you care about it? You have to clean your tongue with the tongue cleaner. Do not drink hot beverage and do not eat very spicy food. That will care of your tongue. Next is ear. Ear is the sense of hearing. Sense organ of hearing. We can hear lots of sounds with the ear. Ear consists of 3 main parts: outer ear, middle ear and internal ear. So outer ear is known as pinna. This area which is out of the body, this is known as pinna. It collects all the sound from the environment and pass it through the auditory canal. Auditory canal pass the sound to cochlea. This cochlea is connected with the small bones which are connected to the auditory nerves. These auditory nerves send message to the brain to recognize the sound and we feel the sound, whatever it is, music or noise. So this is sense organ. We have to care about it. How will you care? Do not clean your ear with a pin or safety pin, etc. In case of any ache, go to the doctor immediately. Alright. Other than these, we have other sense organ, that is skin, which is spread throughout our body. Right? We have the skin. This is the organ of touch. We feel hot, we feel cold, we feel pressure and we also feel touch. Alright, so skin is the sense organ of touch. Now skin, we have to take care of skin. So skin can be taken care of by bathing and cleaning. Skin also excretes some waste in the form of sweat. Alright, so this is all about the sense organ, and this completes our chapter nervous system.